Good morning students. Welcome to online class 6th, subject mathematics. Topic is division of factors and multiples. What is factor? You know, factor is a number that divides the given number with remainder 0. Means factor वो नंबर है जो गिवन नंबर को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करे. और वी कैन से दैट the two numbers we multiply together to get the product. The two numbers are factors of the given number. For example, if we have to find factors of 16, now what two numbers we multiply to get the product as 16? Yes, 1 multiply 16 is equal to 16. So 1 and 16 are factors of 16. Similarly, 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. So 2 and 8 are also factors of 16. Similarly, 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. So 4 is also a factor of 16. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These 5 numbers are factors of 16, and you can see 1 and the number itself are always the factor of given number. Similarly, you can find factors of 24 and 36. Now multiples of a number. For finding multiple of a number, we recite table of that number. For example, if we have to find multiples of 4, we recite table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, then 16, 20, 24. All these are multiples of 4. These are first 6 multiples of 4, and we can find so many multiples of 4. Now, how we can relate factors of a number and multiples of a number? For example, if we find factor of 6, 1 multiply 6 is equal to 6, and 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6, all these numbers are factors of 6. Now if we have to find multiples of 6, we recite table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So these numbers are multiples of 6. You can see factors of a number is not greater than the number. Similarly, multiples of a number is not smaller than the number. Now next topic is prime numbers and composite numbers. A prime number has exactly two factors, the number 1 and the number itself. प्राइम नंबर्स वो होते हैं जिनके ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं, 1 एंड नंबर इटसेल्फ. फॉर एग्जांपल 2, 3, 5, 11, 7, all these are prime numbers. Now what are composite numbers? A composite number has more than 2 factors. जिन नंबर्स के 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं वो कंपोजिट नंबर्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 21, बिकॉज फैक्टर्स ऑफ 21 आर 1, 3, 7, 21. 21 has 4 factors, so 21 is composite number. Similarly, 63 is composite number, 9 is composite number. All these numbers are composite numbers. Now see the box numbered with 1 to 100. All the numbers colored with blue are prime numbers from 1 to 100, and 1 is colored with yellow. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number, and you can see the smallest two-digit prime number is 11 and greatest two-digit prime number is 97. Now next topic is twin primes and co-prime numbers. Twin primes are those primes having difference is 2, यानी कि जिन प्राइम नंबर्स में 2 का डिफरेंस होता है वो प्राइम्स ट्विन प्राइम्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 and 5 are twin primes because the difference is 2. Similarly, 5 and 7 are twin primes, 11, 13 are twin primes, 17 and 19 are twin primes, and many more. Now co-prime numbers. What are co-prime number? Two numbers that have only 1 as the common factor are known as co-prime number. All the prime are co-prime numbers. जिन नंबर्स का 1 ही कॉमन फैक्टर होता है वो क्या है? co-prime numbers. For example, 6 and 35 are co-primes because when we list factors of 6, these are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Similarly, factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. Now common factor of 6 and 35 is only 1. So 6 and 35 are co-prime numbers. Hope you understand the concept of factors and multiples, prime numbers and composite numbers, twin primes and co-prime numbers. Thank you and have a nice day.